Alright. Sorry I was so tardy to the party, boys. I was up very late last night. I need to get a fucking coffee in me, and I need to go smoke some fucking pot. You'll see by the farm, I opened the hole in the wall so we can get these boats inside.
We gotta get some stone for those
Yeah,
walls.
need to get a lot of stuff. Yeah, we did the entire ring of walls with 2 people last night. So, that was quite a project.
They took a caravan out. Oh well.
Once
They're
they had
running
stuff
it.
left in barrels, they weren't able to bring back much. I can't believe they took out EL's base. Were they just not online? Like,
No, it wasn't that many.
yeah.
We tried to defend, but you see how this ended.
Well, they came on earlier, said they're gonna get attacked, and then we made them some shit, some arrows, some swords, and other shit to give to them, but they needed manpower, so they need it.
Yeah, we were getting the walls done last night. It was late, and I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna block all this shit off. You can pull the boat in that gap.
Let him go first.
You have to like hit it pretty straight on. It is arrow. Yep. You go, Mo, making it look easy. Alright, offload all this shit, prepare everything, and throw it in the gathering hall.
What about these shields? You want them in the gathering hole?
Yeah, if it's already full health, just toss them in.
But I built a new repair material.
They've been chasing me for fucking 45 minutes. They're so mad at me.
Got an extra tier 3 sword.
Got a little bit of bones. We gotta watch. They may be coming for us next. I mean, my honest opinion, why wouldn't they? We've already been scouted, so
Have we?
yeah.
There was one guy, no clan tag or anything, that's locked off on our island.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with you.
Yeah,
Till
me
I,
too.
till I get done with this shit. I don't know where any stone's at. I looked.
On my look here, there's a mine.
Oh my god, it's right there. I
Yes.
looked. I looked everywhere but there. Ah, shit.
Alright, I'm gonna go make a coffee. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Yes. I go okay for like 5 minutes. I'll be back.
Yeah. Yes. Here I'll get it for you. Hold on. Yeah, right now I'm maturing shit. So I can put it in the damn. I think it's right here actually. Wait. Oh, no, it might be. No, let me look. Okay. Nope. Yeah, make another one. Oh, actually, I have one. You don't need to make one. I have one. There's one here. I just gotta find it. The battle's got me flustered. I think it's out here by the wood cutting area. Yeah, I put it out there. So I was doing stuff. Oh, I could be wrong. There it is. That's a level 1